Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A woman called out her son while he was in the hermitage. The mother said, 'O Jurej.' He said, 'O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, my mother and my prayer.' The mother again said, 'O Jurej.' He said, 'O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, my mother and my prayer.' The mother said, 'O Jurej.' He said, 'O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, my mother and my prayer.' The mother said, 'O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, may Jurej not die unless he sees the face of a prostitute.' A woman used to graze the goats near to his hermitage. She gave birth to a child. She was asked, 'Whose is this boy?' She replied, 'Of Jurej. He came down from his place of worship.' Jurej said, 'Where is that woman who claims that this is my son?' He said, 'O infant, who is your father?' The boy replied, 'The shepherd.' Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1206.